Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create unmodified list. Remember that so far we are creating a list that can be modified. But how you can create unmodified list, that we are going to understand. For that, I am creating here unmodified list dot void main. Then here I say list and I say data. Then I say unmodified list view like this. Remember, and here I just provide the value to the list like this, and I print data like this. I run this, I say dart run, you see, like this. And can we put value like this? You see, we can do like this also, because this is the list. Unmodified. Why unmodified? If I try to add data here by using add function, you see, now it will generate error. You see, you can't modify. If I try to modify the value on a certain index, I say on 0 number, in place of 12, I want to put it 20 like this. If I run it, again I cannot modify this value. Remember that, not modify, because once you have set the value, you cannot change. It is a constant value. One more way to create this type of list, I say list dot, I can say list 2, then I say list dot, I say filled, I say 4 element I want to set 0 to all other like this, and I can say to print this list, I say list 2, remember. So you will see that in this way, first of all I have to remove this. If I run this, you see all elements are blank. If I try to add here also, I say 2 dot add. If I say some value want to insert here, so you see that it will generate same error that you cannot modify this fixed length. But here you can change the value. How you can change the value? You can change the value at 0 index. Suppose I want to set 20, and at the index number 1 I want to add 30. So it is like that. You can modify the value at a particular place, remember that, but you can't increase the length. So this is also like an array unmodified, but you can change the value after that. But in case of unmodified list, remember that you can't change the value and you can't insert more element. It is fixed, static. Once you create, you can't change the value, you can't change the number of element also. You means you cannot add more element, you cannot change the value. But this kind of list is similar to array. You cannot increase the length, but you can change the value. So that is in this video. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.